I know she like it for real. I'm a fire like Aladdin on a pussy cold. I'm pissing why she did it, cause she lied. What we do here is all discreet. If you ask me, I know nothing. She just jumping on my dick. I know she like it cause she lied. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it.